Good morning, parents. Good morning, boys and girls. If you're watching with your mommies and daddies, this is our week packet or week 4 packet for your parents, so I can tell them and show them what we're going to be doing this week. Okay. So let's start off. If you should have gotten a packet from school, if you didn't, they'll be available this Wednesday between 9 and 12 at Clinton Corners on the 15th, Wednesday the 15th. These were available the Wednesday before break. Letter T. And for the afternoon class, it'll be the red folder, okay? And it has your names on it, along with the brown bag of art supplies and other things, okay? And so let's go over what kind of activities we've got for today, okay? First of all, for Monday, it'd be a great day to practice names. If you haven't done a name sheet in a while, you should have one in your packet. And we've already done these, so you guys know how these work. This is letter T, turtle. This is the introduce letter T to the kids. And they can write their name on top for those that know how to write their name, color the turtle, and then decorate and color the T at the bottom, okay? All right, let's see. For tomorrow, for Tuesday, tomorrow is Taco Tuesday for letter T, okay? So I have in your bag, there is a sheet. It's got some pictures of different things that go with tacos. All right, and the kids can cut them out. Here they can cut them out with the words or without the words, however they like to do. They can cut on the lines, or they could just cut out the shape itself. It's whatever your child wants to do. You have a bottle of glue in your brown bag. Everybody should have one that I gave them the Wednesday before break. If you didn't get it, it'll be in there this time. And you can glue those onto your paper. And we're going to be doing a little song tomorrow. It's a video called It's Raining Tacos. It's really funny, and I thought it'd be a great way for the kids to learn letter T. And it's also Tuesday tomorrow, so Taco Tuesday, you know. So I'm just imagining you guys eating tacos at home, all right? What you can do is you can get the kids to color rain clouds on top with either chalk or crayons. They have white crayons. They can draw rain clouds, and they can draw the pieces of the taco, or glue the pieces of the tacos falling down from the rain clouds, and they can draw little mouths at the bottom. Just little open mouths like this. I'll show you. They could do people's faces with little open mouths, catching the tacos as it goes down, okay? All right. So that's just one activity for tomorrow, all right? And then, let's see, and also, let's see, for tomorrow, they can, if you want them to do anything else, and this is not written in stone. You can do this any day of the week you want for the most part. This is a shape activity. There's 2 sheets. They could do one of the shape activities today and another one another day. There should be 2 of them in there. And basically, you're going to talk to the kids about the shapes. That's a triangle. It's got 3 corners and 3 sides. A square has 4 corners and 4 sides. A circle does not have any corners. It has curves. And it has a radius. So we talk about that kind of thing. And also over here, the worksheet asks the kids to mark the ones that are not, mark the one that is not a shape, okay? And then you can talk about the other shapes that are here. It's just a nice shape review for the kids. And there's 2 pages of those. You can break it up if you want and do different days. No stressor. It's just kind of a review on shapes for the kids. And I'll have a couple more things like this coming up. All right? On Wednesday, we are going to color the tiger mask. And let me show you how we do the tiger mask. So, the tiger, and in your brown bag, there are some little pieces of yarn you can use for whiskers. You can also draw them if you don't have the bag by the time you see this, okay? So they're going to make a tiger mask for letter T. I try to do animal masks for the kids when I can find something cute for them to do. And they can start off by first drawing the nose on the tiger. Okay. And fill it in like that. They can make a little mouth like this. You can use your let's see, pink marker, red marker, whatever for the mouth, whatever they want to do. Okay. Make some little whiskers, almost kind of like what we did with the bunny rabbit. They're gonna make they can make the whisker, they could draw the whiskers, and then they could glue the yarn to it, or they can just glue the yarn straight on. Okay. Now the fun part is the triangles. Okay, and also triangle starts with letter T, so you can talk about that with the kids, and they can make little triangles on the side like this, like you would see stripes on a tiger on his face. Okay. So. And I'm doing this quickly, but they can take their time. There's no rush. All right. And then go all the way around. I'm going to draw the triangle so you see, okay? It's their creation. Some of them are going to draw lines. Some of them are just going to draw interesting shapes. You're not quite sure what they're drawing, but it'll be cute. And that's just a basic tiger mask. And as I said, the yarn can be glued on if you want. You can get fancy and give him eyebrows. If you want to make him, you want to give him eyelashes, they can. I've seen the kids give him eyelashes. It's up to you and what your kids like to do, okay? So that's the tiger mask, all right? And they can just fill these little triangles in if they do it that way, okay? All right, that's Wednesday. And also for Wednesday, so Wednesday, I have a little cute little worksheet. The kids will cut out the shapes at the bottom, the dotted lines at the bottom. So I'm going to draw lines so you can see what I'm talking about. They're going to cut these out. They're rectangle shapes. It's a nice review of rectangles. Each one's got a rectangle shape. They don't have to draw. I'm just showing you so you can see what I'm doing here a little clearly. So those, I drew over the dotted lines, okay? Those are going to cut those out. And they're going to use their glue bottles or glue sticks, whatever they have. And they're going to, after they cut them out, they're going to match what tool would be used with these things in the picture. So that's why the worksheet is called Tools and Things. So, okay. I'll do one as a sample, but I'm not going to do them all. Let the kids figure them out. But in the things we have are screws and pancakes and paint. And they can color this before they cut everything out too. And let's see, I got screw. Oh, nails and screws. Excuse me. There's nails and there's screws. Okay. So they'll match. We'll do one. Obviously, the paint is going to go with the paint brush, so they can glue that on. And don't forget to write your name at the top, boys and girls, okay? And that's for Wednesday. All right. For Thursday, I'm going to be sending a video of plant life. We're going to use the there's a little container inside of everybody's brown bag that has a disc in it, and I'm going to explain to you in a video how to use that disc and turn it into dirt to put your seeds in. And there should be some seeds in that container too, okay? You'll see that in the brown bag if you've gotten it already, and I'll explain how those work in the video on Thursday so the kids can follow along with me. All right, and this is just the plant life cycle chart that they can do on Thursday, which shows how the sequencing, and this is the numbers activity. Kids need to learn first, second, third, fourth, and fifth at this age. It's a good thing for them to learn. That's why we do a lot of those like songs, like, you know, 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on a Bed. It teaches them order and sequencing. So you can see there's seeds. Then the seed is starting to sprout, and we'll go into more details on this on Thursday because I'll go over this on Thursday with the kids too. But this is a nice activity for them to do either a day at a time. They can cut out the shapes and follow along as things grow. So we'll plant the seed, and then when the seed starts to pop out, we can the sprout starts to pop out. They can put that day, or they can do these all at once and just use this as a chart to see how things are going. That's up to you. You do what you kids want to do with you and don't stress out. Everybody does it a little different, and I'm fine with that. All right, that's for Thursday and the planning activity on Thursday. And I may have a couple other activities I'm thinking about doing. And a lot of you may have leftover Easter eggs that you'd like to do something with. I have an activity that is easy for you guys to do. I'm going to send a video on that on Thursday, the same day I send the planting video. So save your Easter eggs, because I'm going to show you a little way to teach the kids how to write letters with this, and also how to find the letters in their name and put them in a sequencing. So it's a fun little activity. I've done it in class the last couple years, and the kids really love it. So I'm going to try to show you how to do it. You don't need any special paper, just maybe some white paper or a copy paper, whatever you got around the house to do the activities with, okay? And a pair of scissors, and that'll do it, all right? So I'll show you that on Thursday. Okay, and then on Friday, I'll send out the journal page video on Friday, but also on Friday they can color a picture of a sunflower. In your brown bag, there are some pieces of black tissue paper. Okay, it's the real thin paper. They can ball it up and make little seeds in the middle of their sunflower and glue them on there. Okay, don't use all of them though, because I'm gonna save some of those black pieces of tissue paper. You'll be able to use those on a watermelon activity in about 2 or 3 weeks when we do letter W. Okay, so that, and if you use them all up, it's cool. They can just draw the seeds too. It doesn't matter. So that's going to be on Friday along with the Friday journal, and I'll send a video on Friday on how to do the journal with the kids, because I usually talk them through that. Okay, and I think that covers all of the activities in your T week envelope. And I'm sending out a video on Wednesday, because a lot of you didn't pick up your bags with the butterfly observation. I'm going to wait till Wednesday to send the video out for the butterfly observation, but I'm going to start sending videos today on from the butterflies, because we just got our kit in. So I'm doing a video a day on how the butterflies are progressing. Okay, and that goes with the first page chart. And if you don't have your observation book yet, you can just catch up on the first days. This will be today, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So if you don't get it till Wednesday or Thursday, just watch the videos in order. I've got them numbered, and you can color each one each day once you get caught up. Okay, no stress, just have fun with it. Okay, and and the observation video I'm sending out on Wednesday will show what all is in the packet. Some of it's for your age kids. Some of it you can do with older kids if you want. There's a lot of cute things in this observation book. Okay, and that's it, guys. And I'm going to send out a story with this packet video too. All right, love you guys. Bye.